Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, hello, welcome. My name is Audrey and I'm the person behind Audrey's Crocheting. So for those who didn't see my TikTok, I recently had a custom order from a customer where he wanted some micro crochet keychains. He had the photos. So I've made some cactus, a whale, some a duck, an otter, and a cat. Those are the things that I've made in micro size, and they turned out so cute, and I really wanted to make more, so I thought I'd make a video dedicated to that because I kind of want to make them into like phone charms, earrings, or maybe just gacha. I think that's the machine called. I think it's called gacha. You know, the one where you turn the machine and one little ball comes out, like gacha. So I want to do that if I ever do markets. Like you buy my stuff until the price I said, and you get free spin, and you want those catchables eventually. So you don't know what you get. But before I get but for now, I think I'm just gonna do some mini earrings and some phone charms. So I've already ordered some phone charm, the phone charm keychains, dangly things, and some rings, tiny rings, because I've ran out of that. And now I'm gonna focus on making those tiny little micro keychains. So I'm not going to make a lot of varieties of these micro keychains. I'm most probably just going to make, hold on, I'm going to make cactus. Those are my most favorite things to make. I'm gonna make some cactus. The duck turned out so cute, so I'm going to make some ducks, bees, a mushroom. I'm probably going to make more whales. I'm not sure. A frog. I want to see how my chunky little frogs look in a tiny micro size. And a strawberry. I don't know, maybe I'll add a carrot in there. I'm just picking what I like and simple patterns for now. Maybe I'll add more, maybe I'll change some of them, but for now those are the list that I have. I'm actually now in the process of making those micro bees, and I have finished one. Ta-da! Let's see, I can focus this one. So it wasn't focusing well from the front camera, so I used the back cameras. So these are the micro bees that I'm making right now, and it turned out so cute. Look at how small the tiny little body is. I've added, this is what I never done with my normal size bees. I've added some cute little chicks on them, and I really like it. Maybe I'll add some chicks to my mini normal size bees, but for now I think these micro bees are so cute. Okay, as you saw, I've made a few of these little bees. I've made the body. I still need to add the wings and the face for these two. I want to make, for now, maybe I'll make 10 of each of the items that I said, but I hope it will, I'm keeping them in this little container, and I hope to fill them all up inside. Okay, if you're wondering what yarn I'm using, I'm just using my normal, the yarn I usually use, and just break that into tiny little threads like this. So my yarn is a 5-ply. I just take out like arm's length like this. I just cut it, and Hold on. There's like 5 strands there. Can you see it? No. So I usually use 2 strands for each of my microgurumis. So I'll just break that slowly. I slowly take it out. Take out 1 strand first, because this one usually um, you'll get a friend in the next time I cut this one, if you know what I mean. And then there's 4 left, and I'll just break that into half and pull it like this. Ta-da! Once I'm done with this, I just tie a knot at the end. There are other ways to tie it in a much prettier way, but I'm just too lazy, so I'll just tie it into a knot. It works anyway. If you know how to hide it, actually, it's okay. And once I've tied it, I have a whole a long one. This one is enough to make 1 small bead, and the black one still needs a little bit longer. This is all I have left, but I did the black one the same as this one, and I could make up to 3 beads, 3 micro beads with this. And for the yellow, this is enough to make 1 micro bead. So I'm using 1.25 millimeter hook. I'm not sure what it is. It's lost its numbers on there because I've been using it, but I think it was 1.25 or 1.75. For those who are used to do this micro crochet, probably would say that's not small enough hook for micro crochet, but for me this is the best. I have smaller hooks, but I think this is just the perfect size for me and the perfect size for this yarn. Look at this. This is a magic ring. Let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah. This is a magic ring. This is a 6 single crochet. It's so small. All of this I'm following my pattern. I have the bee pattern out. Right here. I have the bee pattern out, and I'm just following that exact pattern to get this size bee. It's not too small, it's not too big. I think it's just nice. Hi. So I'm taking a break from making those little micro crochets because my fingertips are starting to hurt a little bit. So I'm working on a different project. while working on this different project is also motivating me to keep going, because I can't really focus on one project only. So this is the other project that I'm making right now. So far it's looking really good. This is freehand, by the way. So far it's looking really good. I need to add stuffing so I can see the shape much better. And then I'll make the head, the hands, and then we're done. It's looking so cute. The legs are just perfect. Okay, I'll show you this by the end of this video. Okay, it's the next morning and I am deciding to stop the video after this. It hasn't actually been a week, it's only been 5 days, but I know for the next 2 days and more I am going to be very busy, so I won't be able to crochet much anyway. So I'm just going to show you what I have now in these 5 days. I'll start with the micros. It's slowly filling this up. You can see everything. I mean, look at that. The cactus, the bee. I even have made a strawberry. Let me take this out. So you guys already saw the bee. Sorry. You guys already saw the bees. These are all the bees. I made 5 of these. Oh. Anyway, I made 5 of these little bees. And then I made the cactus. Look at the little flower. I saw someone on Instagram or YouTube, was it? They put like a little bead in the center of the flower, and I think I want to put a bead too. I don't have beads right now, at least not in the color that I want it. I want to put it in white or maybe a red one, but I don't have it yet. But just like this is already cute. I have a pattern out for both my bees and my cactus if you're interested. My cactus doesn't have a face because I think I used a darker pot and it's small, so it's kind of hard to see anyway, so I didn't put a face on my cactus. But look, I made 7 of these. Let's see if I can arrange them like this. Yeah, so I made 7 of these mini cactus. Oh dear, I don't think. And I made 1 strawberry. Just 1 little strawberry. Look at this, it's so cute. I love the little white spots things on them. So cute. I think it looks really good as an earring, a dangly earring like this. So I cannot wait to turn them into earrings. I'm still waiting on my stuff to arrive, so I can't wait to turn them into earrings. And then I got tired of making the micros because it hurts my fingers. I started making something else. I made a few of these little pouch. It's not completely done yet. Yeah, I made this. It's not completely done yet, but yeah, I made a few. I made this one, and this one is it's not done yet. So it has 2 like pullings like this. It looks plain right now, but I'm thinking of adding like a rabbit or maybe a bear in the center. And this one, I might make like a little carrot at the end, so it looks more cute and have more color than this plain little pastel yellow. But yeah, look, oh my gosh, I can put my little micro crochets in there. on. Look. Yeah, just close it up. It's like a little gift. I can make it into a little gift bag. Yeah, this is for you. Yeah. So I made those, and as you guys saw last night, I'm making Winnie the Pooh. Look at her. I freehand all of this except for the legs. I use like a previous patterns, but I only use for the legs. I change it up a bit, and the rest is just free-handed. And I think it looks so cute. I mean, look, it's Winnie the Pooh. The little nose, the eyebrows. This eyebrow is longer, even though I did the same thing with this one. This one looks longer, but I think it's still okay. The ears, Winnie the Pooh's ears are like bended, so I did it like this. So it's bended and curved inside like this, so it doesn't look like a mouse or something. Cause I think I did made the ear a little bit too big, but I like it. It looks cute. I really want to make a Piglet, Eeyore, and Tigger now to make 4 of them. Maybe I'll continue making the whole gang. Yes. My daughter's talking to me. Anyway, I think I'm going to make the whole gang. But for now, maybe I'll just make like Winnie the Pooh, Piglet, Tigger, and Eeyore. Eeyore is my favorite. So yeah, that's all I made for this video, for this 5 days, 1 week video. It's not much, but I'm actually really happy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!